Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Red Magic 8 Pro device, and I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port using the household items on this device. So firstly, remember the one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest you use an toothbrush which you no longer use. So firstly, you need to take the cover off if you have the cover on your device, and I suggest you use a toothbrush. So this is the best tool because it's very flexible, so you can insert the one part of the brush to the connector and gently pry the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.